everyone. I'm coming bearing some good news. So, Microsoft Clarity, I'm a big fan of this tool. I've always been talking about it over and over. I used it on my website before the migration. As you know, I've discussed before that I migrated my website from Ghost to Substack. And I've written about that on my blog. I'm going to share that in the description if you want to learn more about that. But anyway, so Microsoft Clarity just released new AI bot activity dashboard, and I could not be any happier. I saw this post today on LinkedIn, and it just made my day. So we've been, and I like what he said here. Like most of us have been flying blind on AI crawler activity. The only way to have a good understanding using your website data is to look at your server log files. And this just made things so much simpler and so much easier. Now you can check if AI crawlers are actively hitting your content, and you just see so much cool stuff like real server-side data, bot activity by purpose, crawler requests by operator, is it GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, path requests. So it's definitely awesome. And let me show you this. So this is the dashboard for my website. As I said, I did not migrate this tool, and I need to set some time to set this up. Anyways, if you go to dashboard here and you click on AI visibility, it shows you here, understand how AI bots access your domain, right? Integrate with your CDN providers to understand how AI bots access your website. And then you can click get started, and it just walks you through the process, right? Add a provider, and then uh, take it from there, right? This is super cool. I am super happy, and I hope you find this interesting. Give it a try. I will set some time to install Clarity on Substack. I'm not sure if that's even possible, but I'll give it a go. And if it's not, it's just one of those limitations that really disappoints you in the platform. Anyways, I thought I had to share this. Super great news. Have a good one, and see you next video. Bye.